morning, children. Okay, last class we have been learning how to write in figures given the number name and to write greater than, less than, and to make the smallest and the greatest 7-digit number. Okay, today we are going to say, okay, less number of numbers will be given and you have to form the 8-digit number. Okay, I'll write the question on the board. After that I'll teach you now. The question will be, it's from exercise number 1B and it is going to be question number 5. Okay, up to question number 4 already we have done it in the last class. So the question number 5 is going to be, make the smallest and the greatest, smallest and the greatest 8-digit numbers by repeating the digits. By repeating the digits. Okay, I'll tell you why you have to repeat the digits and I'll write the sum on the board. Okay, so the A sum is going to be 3617892. Okay, now I told you children, each comma tells you everything is a separate number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are already given. But you have to form the 8-digit number. So what I am going to do children now, when you form the, first they are given you the smallest number. Okay, the same thing like the previous sum, you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. But what you have to do is, because only 7 numbers are given, for forming the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number one more time. Then only the 7 numbers will become 8 numbers. Okay, so when you write the answer in the board, okay, the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, so if it is only 7-digit number, out of the 7 numbers, you can form the 7-digit number. But because it's a smallest 8-digit number, which you have to have one more number, repeat the smallest number one more time. So this is going to be smallest 8-digit number. I will make it small. Okay, it's going to be, the smallest number is 1, but because it's the smallest number, you should repeat the 1 more time. Okay, so you have to write 1, 1. Now we arrange from the small to big number. Next number is 2, 3. Okay, write that. And then it will become 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the numbers which I have arranged from small to big. But why do you repeat the smallest number one more time? Because it should be the smallest 8-digit number. There is only 7 numbers are given here. Okay, but as I told you in the last sum, the comma should be written only after the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds a comma, 1000, 10,000 a comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and the number will be crores. Okay, so this will be 1 crore, 12 lakhs, 36,789. Okay, now children, next you are going to form the greatest 8-digit number. Greatest 8-digit number. Okay, now the greatest 8-digit number, 1 minute children. Okay, the greatest 8-digit number is going to be starting with the biggest number. But what is the greatest number? The greatest number will be the 9. Okay, you repeated the smallest number one more time, but the smallest number. But now we have to repeat the greatest number one more time. So 9 is the greatest number out of all this. So repeat the 9 2 times now. So it's going to be 9, 9. Now we write from the big number to the small number, which is the descending order. It's going to be 8, 7, 6, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so after writing the greatest number one more time, that is 9 one more time, the same thing you have to write from the big number to small number, which is just the ulta of the previous sum. Okay, previous smallest digit 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is going to be the greatest 8-digit number. Okay, now what we are going to do, children, the B sum, as I told you in the last sum, it's going to be 471035. Okay, now when you count this, children, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers only. But you have to have 8 numbers. So how many times? Like not only one time, you have to repeat it even one more time. So after that, you write the biggest number one more time, repeat it 2 more times. Okay, after you write the smallest number one time, repeat it 2 more times. So that from 6 numbers, you will get the 8-digit number. So how many digits you want? According to that, you have to repeat the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, now I'll start writing. Okay, suppose there is no place, I'll rub the top thing, children, or I'll write the full thing on the board. Okay, because it's only the question. I'll rub the question now. Okay, this exercise number B or 1B, the fifth sum. Okay, I'll write the question is here. I'll write the answer. So this is going to be the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. This is going to be out of 6 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Okay, but what you have to do, you have to form an 8-digit number. Okay, first of all, when you see, children, I told you 0 will be the smallest number. But I told you in the last sum itself, no number will start with 0. So you start the number to the next smallest number, which is going to be 1. But you should not repeat 1 again and again. You should repeat only the smallest number 0 2 more times. So this was going to be 1. Write the 0 once because it's here. But write it 2 more times. So the 6 digits will become 8 digits. Okay. So now we arrange the remaining numbers 3, 4, 5, 7. 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, now you count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number. Okay, then I'm going to write ones, tens, hundreds a comma, 1,000, 10,000 a comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and the crore. So here also you should put the comma after 3 numbers and then 2 numbers. So when you write the answer, the comma should be coming after the ones place, thousands place, lakhs place, like that. Okay, no, this is going to be 1 crore 3,000 because no lakhs place. 1 crore 3,457. So in the smallest digit only, even though you don't write 0 in the beginning but 1 in the beginning, you have to repeat only the 0 2 more times to make it a 8-digit number. But the greatest number you will not have any problem. Okay, greatest 8-digit number. Greatest 8-digit number. This is going to be starting with the greatest number 7, children. 7, here because it's not 0, you can start with 7. 7 you have to write once and repeat it 2 more times. So from the 6 digits you will have a 8-digit number. Now we repeat the other numbers 53410. 53410. So again after 3 numbers and after 3 numbers and then 2 numbers, the number will be 7 crores 77 lakhs 53,410. So out of the small number of numbers given, if you have to form a biggest number, you have to repeat the smallest number 2 more times from 6 to 8 digit and the biggest number 2 more times because it's from 6 numbers to 8 digit number. Okay. Now coming to the next one, children, give the numbers before. This is just the number previous to the number given, which is just going to be -1. Okay, in case you know the answer, you can write straight away. But if you don't know or you have a doubt, you can -1 number and write. I'll write it in the rough column and show you now. Okay, so a little bit I'll have now. Okay, this is the previous sum only, so this also I'll have. Okay, so this is going to be the 6th sum. Okay, give the number before. Give the number before. Okay, so first of all, I'll take the number A sum 45 lakhs 69,500. Okay, now we are just going to see what is the one number before 500. Okay, if it is only one number, like no, if you take 50, the previous number will be 40. Okay, one number less, 15 minus 1, 40. So, you did not change any other number, only 500 will become one number less, which is going to be 499. So, what is the number before 500? We will write 499 and then 500. So, this answer is going to be 45 lakhs 69,499. Okay, so this is little easy because from 500 we followed the previous number. Okay, suppose in case we have the B sum 87 lakhs 16,000. Okay, suppose you think I don't know how to find out one number before. What you have to do, children, in your rough column, okay, I'll make a small rough column here. You write this number 87 lakhs 16,000. Okay, put the minus 1 in the ones place. Okay, always the first number is in the ones place. Okay, this 1 is a one-digit number. So what you have to do, ordinary subtraction, by borrowing, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, 6 will be, you have to take from the number, of, because all are zeros, take from 6. 6 will be 5. So first 0, the last 0 will be 10. The other two zeros will be 9. Okay, so how will you subtract now? 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9. So the 6 will be 5. Okay, then the same numbers will follow. So this is going to be 87 lakhs 15,999. Okay, because 16,000 will have the previous number 15,999. Okay, you can write 87 lakhs 15,999. Okay, so this is the ordinary subtraction. But when you all are zeros, take from 6, 6 will be 5. And the other two zeros will be 9 and the last 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. These two 9s will be just like that. 5 will be just like that. 1, 7, 8. Okay, so the answer will be 87 lakhs 15,999. So this is how, if you don't know, you can just write minus 1 and find the answer. Okay, you can do the C sum homework, already we have done it. Okay, what I do, children, I do for 20 lakhs, the D sum. 20 followed by, okay, 50. Okay, suppose in case you want to know what will be this answer. So sometimes you not know immediately, I'll write a little big, the rough column, 20 and 50. Again put the minus 1 here. Okay, when all are zeros, you have to take from 2. So what will happen? Always when you take from 1, this will be 10. Again you have to take from here 10. But this will be 9. So like this, when you follow, all the other numbers will be 9, 9, and the last 0 will be 10. Okay, so what will happen? 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, again 9, 9, because all these zeros becomes 9. Okay, 9 and 1. Okay, so just like how 1000, the previous number is 999, or 10,000 means it will be 9,999. Before 20 lakhs will be 19 lakhs 99,999. So you can see that this is the rough column. You can see and write it without making mistakes. Okay, 19 lakhs 99,999. Okay. So this is going to be for numbers before. Okay, what is the 7 sum? It's going to be give the number after. Okay, just like how we were doing minus 1 for before numbers, you're just going to add one number and write the answer. If you know directly, you can do directly. Otherwise, like this, you can put plus 1, that 1 in the last ones digit, and then find the answer. Okay, so for example, I'll give the number after A sum 9 lakhs 29,499. So, can you just see, children, after 499, again what number will come? It will become 500. Okay, when you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this 100 numbers, after 499 what will you write? 500. So the next number it is going to be, the other places will not change. 9 lakhs 29,000 and 500. Okay, so because you know after 499 comes 500, you can write straight away like that. But in case you have like this 999 like that and all, if it gets the last three numbers are like that, you can add one and see. I'll do it on the top and show you. Okay, I'll rub the two sounds. Okay, here also I'll write the rough column here. So the next number is going to be some 79 lakhs 98,999. Okay, so now what you're going to do, children, see that you're going to add plus 1 here. Okay, so I'll make this small. I'll draw the column 79 lakhs 98,999. Now we add plus 1, write the plus 1 here, but the sign will be plus 1 here. So 9 plus 1, 10, again 1 plus 9, 10, again 1 plus 9, 10, 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, now only no carryover. 9 and this is going to be 79. So this is going to be 79 lakhs 99,000. Because 999 will become 1000, that 8 will be 9, all the other digits will be the same. So the answer will be after 79 lakhs 98,999, the next number will be 79 lakhs 99,000. So just take and write this number now. 79 lakhs 99,000. Okay, so if you don't know, you can just put a plus 1. That is the right, arrange the number 1 in the 1's digit and then you add the numbers. Okay, I think you can do the T sum as your homework, children, because that's an easy sum. I do this 99 lakhs 99,000. Okay, I'll take a little more space. Now it's going to be C sum 99 lakhs 99,999. Okay, again I will make the sub column. Okay, 99 lakhs 99,999. Add this plus 1 here. Okay, so what's going to happen? 9 plus 1, 10. Again, everywhere when you add 1 plus 9, it's going to be 10 and you will get the carryover. 1 plus 9, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, and the last one 10, you will write fully. So it's going to be 1 tens 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay, so after 99 lakhs 99,999, you will get the number 1 crore. Okay, so if you don't know directly, you can write like this and do the addition plus 1 and write the answer. Okay, children? Okay. Now, this exercise 1B is getting over. What I'll do, children, I'll rub this and all. Next, we'll start with the international system. Okay, I'll teach you how to write in the international system by showing you the Indian system and the international system. So the heading is going to be international system. International system. Okay, like how we were doing today, I write here in the Indian system. Indian system. Okay, what you are going to do, I'll just draw a column like this. Okay, this is going to be the Indian system. Okay, in the Indian system, like how we were doing these numbers, you had 1s, 10s, 100s, okay, 1,000, 10,000, then you had lakhs, 10 lakhs, okay, then you had crore, okay, only maximum up to this we will learn, okay, we will learn only up to crores and after that we can write even 10 crore, okay, but maximum we will use only up to crore. But in the international system, children, international, okay, I'll move it over to the side, international system. international system. Okay, I'll start from here. We will not have any change in the ones, tens and hundreds place. Even 1000, 10,000 will be the same. But from the lakhs place, it will change. It will have a 100,000. You know what is this? HTH will be 100,000. So the next digit will be million. Okay. After that you will have 10 million and then you will have 100 million. Okay. This is very precious. Okay. But you will not be using all this. Only from millions you will be using in the international system. So just to compare and writing, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, but then from lakhs it will change. It will have 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. But here what we are doing, children, the places will be different, okay. First you are writing the ones period, then you will have the thousands period, and then you will have the lakhs period, and then you will have the crores period. But here it will be, so what you will do, you will put the comma after 3 numbers and then 2 numbers. But in the international system, children, I just write it down. This is for the ones period, and these 3, okay, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. All the 3 will come in the thousands period, and the million, 10 million and 100 million, it will be called as the million period. Okay, so what you will do in the international system, you will put the comma after 3 numbers. Okay, so the ones place will not change, for both it will be the same. But in the Indian system, you will have 2 places for each group. But in the international system, you will have 3 places. Okay, these 3 already you know, ones, tens, 100. Then it will be 3,000, 10,000, 100,000, 3 places together. Million, 10 million, 100 million together. But we will not be learning all this. We will be learning only up to millions place. So I just teach you how to write the number in the international system by giving you some sums in the from exercise number 1C. Okay, so first I start with the question number 2, children. Insert commas and rewrite in words according to the international system. Okay, because we have already done many sums. Okay, I'll just teach you one sum with 6 digits and one sum with the 7 digits. Only up to 7 digits you have the maximum number of digits. Okay, so what I'll do, children, just you can keep it at home and read. I'll write the column this here. Slowly I'll rub it little by little. I'll write question number 2. It's going to be insert commas. Insert commas and rewrite in words. So this is the question number 2. Question number 1 I'll explain it to you afterwards. And rewrite in words. And rewrite in words. And rewrite in words according to the international system. According to the international system. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be upping this box because already I've got it with you now. Okay, I'll tap this. Okay, what we are going to write? We are going to write it in the international system. So I'll just write it down. What are all the place values? Ones, tens, 100. Okay, a comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then you will have only million. Okay, you will not have more number of digits. Only up to this you will have. Okay, just for you to know, in the international system, INT is international system. What all digits you are having, I'll just write it down. Okay, the first number is going to be the A sum 712801. First of all, you have to insert the comma. How will you write it in the according to the international system? So ones, tens, hundreds a comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 are the numbers. Okay, if you want even, you can even write it here. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So how will you read now? You have to read three numbers together. All the three numbers are in the thousands place. So you have to read 712,801. So just write like this. 700,000, 700,000. Okay. Sorry, 712,000. 712,000, 712,801. 801. Okay, this is the answer. 712,801. Okay, because it's having only ones, tens, hundreds place, that is a ones place, and the thousands place together you have to read. So the answer will be 712,801. Okay, I'll do one more sum where you will have more number of digits. Okay, I'll read this number. Okay, C sum 10168. I think B sum you can do it as homework, already we have done it. Okay, 10168 and 20. Now if you see this is only 6 numbers, but here it will be 7 numbers here. So again, first of all insert the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds a comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comma. So this place will be million. So again you can write like this. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and you are going to have million. So you have to read the millions place separately. 1 million. See, no 100 is 1000 space because 0. So only read it as 16,800. So how you are going to write this number? It's going to be 1 million. 1 million. So this is going to be in the thousands place only 16. 16,000. 16,000. And the last three numbers together 800. Okay, so this is going to be 1 million, 16,000, okay, and 800. So this is the number with the 7 digits. Okay, so maximum you will, for your class, you will have only up to million. Okay, what I do, children? Next, this I think I can wrap because I am writing the number names, the place values down. Okay, the D sum also I will write it because it's a little, all the digits are there. 5397284. Again, children say ones, tens, hundreds a comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, all the three places together, and then you will have the million. So how will you write this number? Only in the millions place 5 is there. So you will write 5 million, 5 million. So all these three numbers together. 397, 300, 397, 97,284. 284. Okay, so this number has got all the digits, so I wrote that sum also. Okay, this is going to be in the millions place 5 million, all the 3,000 space together 397,000. Then you have the remaining numbers 284. Okay, so this is the what is that international system, how to put the commas and read the numbers. Okay, so there are little more sums like give the place value of the color digit and rewrite using figures and all that. This will be continuing it in the next class. So up to this you can practice in the notebook also, in the PDF you will be getting all the answers. Okay, yes children, thank you.